Alright, this is the unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless mic. I got this because I'm going to be recording some videos which require wireless mics. That is, me and my friends will be sitting away from the recording source. And going to check these out. Found these on Amazon. They're about 130 bucks US. So they're not like really cheap or anything, but they look pretty decent quality and they're a top seller. So hope that they'll do well. They use 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, which should be good. Not Bluetooth or anything. And Hear Clear Smart Noise Cancelling, portable charging case, light and compact, HD audio, 48 kilohertz, 16-bit, nice. Okay, so yeah, that's Hollyland. Are they a Chinese company or anything? I don't think they're really like big name company or anything like that. Doesn't seem like it anyways. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside here. So get a carrying case very similar to what you would get on a wireless, no, this is actually similar carrying case to what you get with a true wireless earbud. Yeah, and even this case, this is the case for the mic. It looks very similar to those wireless earbuds that you get, the true, wireless earbuds. AirPods, basically, all those kind of wireless earphones or earbuds that you see nowadays. The case looks very similar, and then this charging case looks very similar as well. These, I think, are these wind covers. I think these are wind covers, right? Let's take a look. Pretty sure, yeah, these are wind covers. So useful if you're recording outside, right? To block some of the wind noise. Or you can just put a low cut filter, I think would work too. But yeah, I'll be recording it mostly indoors with these. But I guess I might be recording some videos outdoors too. If I'm like on the balcony and I'm playing guitar or something like that, then this might be useful to have the wind covers. Alright, seriously, I swear they must have taken a case from one of those true wireless earbuds and then just repurposed it for these wireless microphones. They're pretty much the same case. It looks like actually this very similar case to the Sennheiser True Momentum Wireless 2s I actually unboxed last year. Pretty funny. Okay, so the Lark M1 Quick Start Guide. We are here for you. Okay, good. Let's get in touch. Okay, useless basically. Quick Start Guide. Okay, so built-in mic, noise cancelling button. Nice, that's cool. That's it. Okay, charging and storage. 3 mode switch. Okay, Hear Clear noise cancelling function. Okay, it's cool as noise cancelling. And this is the user manual right here. That's what you get. Yep, it's a lapel mic, so you clip it to your. By the way, yeah, the reason why I got this is because when I'm getting the DJI action camera, and I also use my iPhone when I record stuff, I want to find a wireless mic that could be used for both, And the DJI wireless microphones are really expensive, so I didn't want to pay an extra like 300 bucks for those. Those are actually pretty expensive. Yeah, the DJI wireless mics, honestly, I think they cost as much as the actual action cameras do. They made them for the DJI Action 3, and it works for the the Osmo Mobile and stuff as well. But yeah, they cost just as much as the cameras, and the more than the gimbal actually. So yeah, that's okay. Here's the camera, and I wanted one that it works with your iPhone, works with your Android, works with my Sony. This is my Sony ZV-1 I'm using to record this video with. It works with that too. So yeah, I wanted something that can kind of work with everything. But yeah, it's definitely cheaper than the DJI wireless mics, so that's a huge reason why I got these. They're like half the price of a DJI wireless mic actually. And then Inner Care Lights Guide. Yeah, well, it seems good quality, right? This is a nice manual. If this is a Chinese brand, they nicely printed. They don't even make any English mistakes or anything. No grammar mistakes or anything, so pretty nice. Now, I don't know if it's actually a Chinese company, but if they are, then that's a very good, well-constructed manual. Alright, then you get a USB-A to USB-C for charging, I suppose. This charger is actually down here. It's a USB-C charger. Again, this case is very similar to what you would find on the true wireless headphones and true wireless earbuds. Very, very similar case. My Sony WF-1000XM3s have a very similar case to this. Then you have a 3.5, two of these 3.5 adapter things. Connect the end to the phone, okay. I guess be using these for monitoring or something. And yeah, once you open up, and even as charging, yeah, this really looks like a wireless earbud, for comparison, I'll show you guys. It's my Master and Dynamic MW08, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here, right? Very, very similar design. Now these are wireless earbuds, so yeah, they have similar case like this, and yeah, charging on the case, right? I swear they just took like a wireless earbud case, you know, repurposed it for microphones instead. So yeah, instead of wireless earbuds, you get wireless mics now. So they look pretty snug in the case. Of course, this case is a bit bigger, right? It's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same size as my Sony 1000 XM3 cases, which is probably one of the bigger cases on the market. But this is the microphones. Got two of them, of course, one for me and my friend, which is good. So you got two of these mics. Each of these mics have a power button and a what does this button do again? Go back to the manual here. Let's see, what does that button do? Manual pairing. I think this is the pairing button. Hold the power device. This is the power on button, right? RX. Okay, interesting. So this changes the light from green to blue. What does that do? Let's see. Is that mode switch for 5 seconds to switch modes? It's on that thing. Okay. I think this is actually a mode switch. So you see how I can change the light from green to blue here, and that's the different modes. So green is camera mono mode, and blue is phone mode or camera stereo mode. Okay, so there's different modes I can change. It looks like. So I can also use this. I think it's similar buttons here I can press to change the modes. Yeah. And these are all the specs, right, of the mic. 2.4 gigahertz, 40 meters transmission range, omnidirectional, not cardioid. Dynamic range, battery life, runtime is about 8 hours. Not bad. Okay, and volume gain adjustment, 3 volume settings. Okay. And you can turn on and off the noise canceling. I see. So yeah, this is the on button, the output, I guess, then the charger, and then this will be plus minus volume, as well as the mode adjustment and the noise cancellation switch. And this is the mode adjustment, noise cancellation switch, and the power button for each of these mics. This being kind of like the main receiver one, I guess. I'm guessing, are these, how do I charge these? Oh, yeah, okay, they're down at the bottom. Yeah, so these are actually, okay, yeah, so we gotta charge these separately too. Yeah, they're all USB-C. So we gotta charge 3 things here. This one, the receiver one, and then these two here. All USB-C. You charge 3 things, which is kind of annoying. But then you can charge the case, which charges all 3. So I guess we don't have to manually charge them. We can just let the case charge them. That's, yeah, I guess that's fine. That's more convenient. Yeah, and this one, yeah, it's okay. This is for the magnetic charging. I see. Okay, so this also, okay, there's a pair of magnetic chargers here. I see. So you can either choose to charge these manually with USB-C, or you can just put them in the case and they'll charge them magnetically. Yeah, like this. And then you just have to charge the case. Okay, that's better. And then yeah, you would just connect this receiver one to a phone or something like that with an adapter. Guessing that's how you're supposed to do it. Yeah, you need a 3.5 millimeter to Lightning or a 3.5 millimeter to USB-C, which is not something that they provide, do they? They don't give you an adapter. Okay, so you might have to get a separate adapter for that, because 3.5 to Lightning is not a common. That is not a common cable. Neither is the 3.5 to USB-C. Yeah. Or you can have a TRRS compatible device. Okay. Yeah, well, of course, most cameras should have a 3.5 millimeter input, but for phones, you need an adapter. You need a 3.5 to Lightning or USB-C adapter. That's something you have to get separately. I don't think it doesn't come in the box, and I really wish they could have. Yeah, I really wish they could have gave you a connector for those, because 3.5 to USB-C or 3.5 to Lightning is not common. I mean, I'm pretty sure most people don't have those. So yeah, I wish they would give those in the bundle, in the package, but they don't. So that's the only thing. If you want to connect it to your phone, you need to buy something extra. You need to buy that adapter, 3.5 millimeter to Lightning and USB adapter to actually use it with your phone, which I wish they included in the package. But other than that, these look pretty solid. So I'll definitely try these out. So yeah, that's the unboxing here of the Hollyland Lark M1. Tofu.
Dubu. Yeah,
Dubu,
it's
tofu.
almost like dubu.
Dubu, tofu.
That's pretty funny, actually. That's really real. He doesn't know shit. For Korean,
Yeah,
for
of
sure.
course.
Hajima. Hajima.
He doesn't know what it means.
Jipikarle. She's really terrified that she's not acting.
What the? No, this would be making for good Far Cry burning sound.
I know, she could have a role.
Far Cry burning.
Like the, oh my god, it is. Look at her face.
Yeah, I really like the Far Cry burning noise.
She's screaming the whole fucking. This is pretty funny. Air 404,
No,
she's really funny, man.
Malfunctioning.
Dude, he malfunctioned. It's so good, man.
Oh my god.
Done. The screaming was awesome, huh?
Yeah, that was Far Cry.
That was Far Cry level, like, horror movie.
Far
Horror.
Cry little burning.
Far Cry. Gotta rewatch a little of that. So good. It's gonna turn into pure, like, screaming soon.
I'm so scared.
Let's go. Come go.
Hajima.
I'm gonna close my eyes. No. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me, please. No, don't touch me. No.
Don't touch me, don't touch me. His accent is so terrible. It's like,
He's like,
his accent is so abysmal.
yeah. Oh my god.
Sounds like a bleeding sheep now.
Oh my god.
Small, but scary.
That's what she said about him. Small but scary. Small but scary.
Oh my god. Look at her face, like it's terrifying. The noises she's making.
Sad dude.
Look at the face.
Her eyes are like
Pure
wide.
terror, man.
Her eyes
I just want to freeze
her
frame on
eyes
that.
are wide in terror. This is like making random noises. Look, your eyes are wide. Look at your eyes. It's like wide.
I'm gonna freeze frame.
Oh my god.
It's terror. We're in proper podcast here. We have like full microphone, everything. What is that in front of your mouth? Looks like a sausage or something.
Oh, sorry.
No, there's a stick.
That's like a spoon or
There's
something.
a stick facing your mouth. What is that, your pot? No, a stick.
It's good. Oh, fork.
Oh, it's a fork.
Yeah.
Okay, I was wondering what that was.
Sausage.
I don't know what it was.
Dirty.
Ethan went to the dirty.
Hey, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Italian, Colombian,
Oh my god.
whatever flavors, all the 31 flavors that you
race.
tried this year have been.
Delisted from this.
You are delisted from the exchange.
Dating.
You are delisted from the Hong Kong dating exchange for the remainder of 2022. What happened to your skateboarding? You had some really positive activity.
Yeah, I always saw the skateboarding, longboarding, something.
Why don't you ride it? You were enjoying, you were so excited a couple of months.
Why?
Sure, no problem. Just buy us tickets to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
No problem. We'll shoot whatever we want. We got like 5 cameras.
Yeah,
we have
definitely have the
tripods.
equipment for
We
it.
have equipment. We have equipment. We have cameras that follow you and do all the action, everything. No, she likes a spicy interaction. She wants to have this fun,
Kind of.
exotic. She wants a fun, exotic
Like
chemistry,
rich,
like she.
handsome.
Do you know your ticker symbol? HLE. Do you know your ticker symbol? HLE.
I have a lot.
HLE is delisted. Oh, I know. There's a lot.
Well, I heard bad stories.
I
about
would
Hong Kong,
I would
so-
never. I would just totally waste another 10 years of my life in circles like a hamster wheel.
I know.
No, actually, I wouldn't because I want to be done with the game. I want to be out, finished. I'm just really. I'm in the last like 10 minutes of trading. The last before the bell drops. Oh God! Fuck! Bye! Yes, order! Get my order! Make it an order.
Yeah.
Video call is important though because you get the real facial expressions. I agree. Text messaging you can get really easily into fights and bad things because you can't. There's no emotions, so it's totally disconnected communication. It doesn't work. For any kind of romantic relationship, you have to have plenty of face to face.
That's why it happened when you're too lonely, right? You're lonely, so you get a dog.
Girls get pets because they're lonely
Yeah.
usually.
I know.
More than guys. More than guys. Like I'm lonely, but I'm not gonna get a pet because I don't want to deal with it when I'm traveling. I'd rather get a girlfriend. Has much more benefits.
That's difficult. Like when you're traveling, you gotta. It's hard.
Exactly. You're not free to just do it. You have to figure out where they're gonna stay, blah blah blah, pay for it. You don't know what it is? It's basically you're talking to someone in the industry, in the job you want to do, and asking them how they got into the job, what they like about it, what they don't like about it, all this kind of stuff.
Like in a LinkedIn.
It could be someone from LinkedIn or friend that's in the field, whatever. I mean, there's a natural point to move to like video or maybe meet up for coffee is better than whatever you feel is like most appropriate way to move forward in learning about that thing gives you a lot of pleasure. Just use it. It's positive activity, hobby. And you can shoot some videos doing the longboard. It's fun.
I know.
You can get some tripod like we have, and then just shoot your.
Action camera. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day. Bye bye.